Our next question comes from Sharon Wickline. She writes, "I got 6 pea seeds in the mail. I'm assuming from Grow This. Will these feed a family of 2, or are they not worth the trouble?" So, what would you say to Sharon? How much does a pea plant usually yield?
That's a very good question. Yeah, I have never thought about peas from a single plant perspective, but um, it's an interesting crop. I mean, it's an early garden crop, and people need to sow them, as early as they possibly can in the garden. According to the garden calendar that we make those recommendations. Um, they are not. I mean, compared to green beans, they're not the highest yielding legume that you can grow. Um, uh, my estimates on peas are they produce 25 pounds per 100-foot row. So that would mean they would produce, about a quarter pound of peas per foot. And if you do the math on that, I mean, they're normally seeded an inch apart. So, six pea seeds would not feed me because I love peas. So I would, you'd want more. So I think the main thing about, just getting a sampling of seeds or something is to try it to see if you like to grow it, if you like to eat it, and then if you do that, then you just scale up. You just buy more seeds, um, peas like cool weather. So they're a spring crop and they're also a fall crop. So you have another chance to grow them this year in the fall. So if you like them this spring, or if you didn't want to get more seed this spring, or weren't able to get more seed this spring, then you could buy seed and sow them in the fall, usually in August, and then they would be producing peas in October. But they're an excellent crop. I mean, but I think, the 6 would certainly give you a sampling of the peas. And I don't know if these are sugar snap peas or snow peas or shell peas, so that's a difference there. But they're not, they don't load up with a lot of pods like beans do sometimes. So you need a little bit more of them to get more peas.
It sounds like, though, I mean, if she plants them and enjoys them, could she save the seeds and then do it again in fall?
Well, there are open pollinated peas, and which are varieties that you could save the seed, and they would be true to type if you sowed them again. These could very well be hybrids, and that would mean that they would have different characteristics if you saved the seed from them. But the whole principles of genetics were based on saving pea seeds and evaluating peas based on how they were wrinkled or sweet or starchy from generation to generation. So, I mean, you certainly would get peas, and it's just that you may not get exactly what you had before. You may get something that's a little different. But we love saving seed. I mean, we love encouraging growers or gardeners to save seed. But there are some open pollinated non-hybrid peas out there. You just have to look in the seed catalog, and it'll tell you, it'll put an OP after them, and that means you can save the seed. But if it's a hybrid, which gives them an F1 after the seed name, that indicates that they're not going to be true to type than what the original plant looked like. So.